Hey guys, today is such an exciting day. We are planting up phase 1 of our Proven Winners annuals, and we wanted to show you the process. So our team has been awesome and already hard at work at it. I've been trying to capture as much as I can, but they're quick. So how we do it is we start with the dirt. We try to get a head on that, and we fill all of our grande pots here. You can see the trays. Fill a whole tray full of soil, and we have big carts that we fill those up. We do it all by hand. We don't have any machines, so we do it all by hand. We try to get stacks and stacks and stacks of those. And then we put them out on our table, kind of like our factory table, and we just have our team members go to town just taking flats of our plants and then laying them all out and then planting them. We put a biotone fertilizer in them, and that really helps the root systems and helps them grow. We get them all planted, we tag them all, and then we put them in our greenhouse. 1 is full, so we're now in greenhouse 2, and that is going to be full soon. So like I said, this is phase 1. We have next week another shipment of annuals. So we do them in phases based on staggering growth so that we have different sizes to send out for our shipping based on people's zone. And then we also stagger when we get the shipments so that when we get the warmer weather stuff, we get it a little bit later. We are in Greenville, South Carolina, and it's warm here, but we don't have heated greenhouses, so we just try to be a little careful of the tender stuff. So our team member that takes care of and takes charge of everything has started with all the super petunias. So this is greenhouse 1, filled with all of our super petunias. So we are gonna roll with the ones that are planted. These are the Super Petunia Mini Vista bubblegum, such a staple. Smells like biotone over here. It smells like growth, which is awesome. Look at all of those bubble gum. Holy smokes. We have Super Petunia Blue Vein. I love this one. Super Petunia Bermuda Beach. Woo! That fertilizer is smelly in the greenhouse. And then I'm so excited about this. Asked Sebastian if we could get it this year for me to try, but it has sold out or close to sold out. Super Petunia Black Cherry. It is gorgeous in the picture. It's such a beautiful, not red, but kind of pinky reddish. I'm so excited about this one. But you guys loved it too, and I think it's just because it's so bold and beautiful. And then she's worked on calibrachoas and some of the other stuff. But basically, you just take the plug out of the tray, and I'll just go show you the trays, and then this soil is very lofty, which is important for commercial growth, and then they're pretty easy. You just stick them all in and you can do it quickly, versus like when I plant in the garden, you know, I make a hole and I put the soil around it really carefully. So these you can just kind of put in and tag them, and they are good, which is awesome because there's thousands. I think we have 6,000 to 7,000 just in this shipment of baby plants, so it's important to get them in quickly. They can survive in their trays for a little while. You know, you don't want them to go more than a week, but you need to get them in quickly, and so they start growing. So we try to do the process as quick as we can. But look at these. These are the new Super Petunia Blue Tiara. Look how beautiful. They already got little trailing wisps on them, and these are new for this year. I'm so excited, and I think, yep, the pink is right over here. Super Petunia Tiara Pink. That is so fun. Let me try to find, I'm gonna look around if I can find a lot of the new ones for this year. And here is greenhouse 2, where we are filling up. We got, thankfully, just a 1/4 of it filled because we got a lot more plants to put in here. Okay, these are new for this year. The Virtuoso Pinkerific Dahlia, and there's another dahlia. Maybe it's coming in a different shipment, but I'm really excited about these because they are dwarf, 15 to 18 inches, and make a beautiful hedge like in the landscape. So those will be so fun. Here is the other dahlia. It was right next to me. Rad Raz, and it's just like a darker pink. I'm gonna put these everywhere. They are so gorgeous. And same, 15 to 18 inches for that one. I'm so excited about this. This is the new Cupfia, which is funny because Vermillionaire is a Cupfia. And this doesn't look, to me, very much like it, but it is gorgeous frosted violets. There's another one. It's redder, and I don't know, we might not have gotten this shipment. It might be in the next, but isn't that beautiful? I'm going to put this with the dahlias all over in the landscape. It's going to be so gorgeous. Okay, these aren't new, but I'll just give you a peek of everything. Here's some of the Rocopoco, Coral Reef, Double Redstone. I love vintage coral so much. We have a Veranda Cream Rose that I put these around it, and I don't know if I can not do it again this year. It was so gorgeous. Just the colors were very creamy together, very beautiful. Supertunias, Saffron Finch, just lots of fun ones, Royal Velvet. I wanted to show you guys the Dichondra Silver Falls. I just love how silvery that one is. And the coffee cups is always my favorite. I am so impressed with this thing. It's so little. Look how cute and little that is. And it grows to like, last year ours was like 8 feet tall. I'll have to see if I can find a picture. It's amazing. It's just so beautiful. I'm super excited about black cherry this year. I think I mentioned that in the other video. These are staples. We got Jazzberry Bubblegum, Mini Vista White. Hoopla Vivid Orchid is a fun one. I love that one so much. I told you guys before, Priscilla is my favorite. Love that. And the Trailing Blue Vein is my favorite. Here it is. Here's Paradise. Woo, that is beautiful. We always have to pay really close attention to the Rocopocos in the greenhouse. Some plants, like the Supertunias, are extremely hardy. These can be a little tender sometimes if it gets too cold. Like I said, ours is not heated. If it gets too warm, if they get dry, they can be a little finicky when they're babies. So we always try to keep in mind the plants that are a little more tender and keep an eye on them. But I love that about Supertunias. They are just tough. And you guys know that when you grow them in your garden as well. I hope that was so fun to watch. It is just such a fun process. It's always a lot going on and busy and chaotic, but in a good way. And it's fun, it's spring, and it's fun energy. And I know you guys appreciate just getting to see plants, especially if you're covered in snow. It is gorgeous and sunny down here, so we're sending our joy of warmth and flowers to you guys. But it's fun too to see just how your plants are grown and what that looks like, and fun ones that you haven't ordered before or new varieties is always fun for me. So we are so thankful for you guys joining us, and we hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!